हाय एवरीवन। आज मेरे ख्याल से एक ऐसा दौर है जहाँ पे हर कोई अलग अलग तरह की बातें करे। एवरीबडी इज़ टॉकिंग डिफरेंटली। आज सब बात कर रहे हैं कि कौन सी कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी, विच कंपनी विल क्लोज। पूरी दुनिया शायद एक नए नए रूप में शायद हमारे सामने खड़ी हो जाएगी। टुडे एवरीबडी इज़ एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर and everybody is an industry expert. Many of us must be worried about job security, income security, and lot more things. Probably कितनी सारी कंपनियां बंद हो जाएंगी, कितनी नई इंडस्ट्रीज उभर के आएंगी, और जो स्ट्रांग होगा, द कंपनी विच is meant for you and meant for me will always survive, will always be there. The important part would be that is this opportunity or is this business going to make sense, or is it actually solving the pain area of their clients? Very very important. लेकिन क्या करें, आज के दिन में एवरीबडी आइदर विल ब्लेम द गवर्नमेंट, विल ब्लेम चाइना, विल ब्लेम पाकिस्तान, एंड आई डोंट नो, शायद किसी को भी करेंगे. But let me tell you, the best way to overcome this is to change yourself, change the way you think, change the way you work, change the way you manage your life. Let me tell you, आपको जितना टाइम नेगेटिव चीज़ों को सोचने में लगता है ना, इट टेक्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग पॉजिटिव. So the choice is yours, that whether you wanted to keep thinking something negative or you want to move on, change, do something better, do something new, and move ahead. आपको पता होगा, I'm sure you will know that 50% of the world's asset, which is the wealth, is with 1% population. Surprisingly, 90% of the world's wealth is with only 10% of the population. Oh, so anyway, I should not say surprisingly here. I should not say surprisingly because it was planned and executed. It was not a surprise. So, and I think there is nothing wrong because we have been taught like that. We have been taught that पढ़ाई करो, जॉब करो, डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो, टीचर बनो, and all that. But they were taught that how you should utilize your time and create a world for yourself and probably give an opportunity to 10,000, 20,000 people who get into or who take care of their lives through you. So, now you have to actually think whether you really want to change or you don't want to change. The reason why they changed is that they realized the value of leveraging. Now, leveraging is nothing but utilizing the potential available in and around you, in a simple word, So they realized the value and importance of leveraging, and that's what is giving them what they deserve. So they are getting what they deserve. So they planned, they executed, and they are enjoying their life. They have a different life, different than yours, different than mine. Now, many of us, I'm sure you will be thinking that whether you will have your job, you will not have a job. Many people probably they are struggling to manage their 1-2 months of life during this lockdown because they are not getting salary, or they are getting half of the salary, or there is a salary cut, whatever it may be. So there are many who is struggling to take care of their life during this time. Just 1 or 2 months. Imagine, just think, post your retirement, which is probably once you stop working, 55, maybe 55 or 60 years, how will you take care of another 25 years? Because you will have another life after that retirement. So you have another 20, 25, 30 years post retirement. How will you manage that life? You are unable to manage your 1 month. How will you manage your another 25 to 30 years? Now, it's a tough time. It's a tough call. But I have a great news for you. I have a great news for you. We can do something together. Now, what is that? That I'll share later. But let me tell you, there is something which is really, really exciting. It's something different which can change your life. The way you live, the way you think, the way you work, everything can change. But it's tough. It's not that easy to do. You need to make your hands dirty. You have to do something which you have probably not done in your life. But I'm sure you can do that. It's tough, it's difficult, but trust me, it's one of the most rewarding opportunity for you or me, for anybody for that matter. One thing which is very important is it that I'm talking about something where you will have any kind of a loss? No, not at all. You will always learn. So what I'm going to give you is a learning, a training, a support which will help you get into something which is absolutely different for you. If you want to change your life, if you really want to see what is that which is different, talk to me. Connect with me. You can connect with me here. You can write an SMS to me. You can WhatsApp on my number, which is 9930468390. I'm repeating again, it's 9930468390. Let's join hands together. Let's do something different. Let's change our life. Don't regret. Don't regret in future. Because the world is changing. You need to change yourself. And again, be with the industry which is for the people, with the people. So, I'm waiting. All the best.